Okay, guys, so starting, who watched the lecture?
Me.
All of you, you watched it? Great, that's great. What was
Yes.
the lecture about?
Uh,
The multiple.
Excellent, Lana.
the multiple.
Very good. Lana +1. The fastest. Lana +1. Bonus point. Okay, so it was about multiples. What's the meaning of multiples?
Multiple digits.
What?
Mean times.
Who talked first?
The times.
Me.
Yusuf. Let us see Yusuf.
Multiple digits.
Yes, so multiples, they are digit. Yes, you multiply the numbers by digits. Very good. Ali, can you? Okay, great. So, yes, Yusuf, that's great. So what do you multiply the numbers by in order to get the multiples?
Times.
What do you multiply them by what?
By the numbers of odd and even.
Very good, Hassan. So excellent, Hassan +1. So you multiply them by 1, then by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, right? So we multiply the numbers by those digits in order to get the multiples. Ali Hussein.
Yes, miss.
Can I count all the multiples for a number?
Yes, I think. Yes.
If I need to, for example, list the multiples of 5, okay? Give me the first multiple of 5.
5 times 1.
Very good. Then
5 times 2.
5 times 3, and so on. Can I count all the multiples of 5?
I don't understand.
Okay, Ali, for example, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, and so on, right?
Yes, you can continue.
I can continue. So can I stop, or can I count all the numbers of 5, multiples of 5?
Numbers. Yes. Yes.
I can count them all. Do you know why? Who knows why?
The numbers are not don't finish.
Very good, Ali. Ali said it first. Ali, you said that the numbers don't end, right? They are infinite. Okay, so I can't count them all. That's why I can't count all the multiples of 5. Very good, Ali. So, Ahmad, can you give me, for example, the first 3 multiples of 4? So, Ahmad,
Let's go and say it.
let me try first, Ahmad. Ahmad, can you hear me?
2. Yes.
We start 4 times
4 times 2.
1. We start 4 times 1.
4 times 2.
4 times 2.
4 times 3.
Very good. So it's 4, 8, 12. Those are the first 3 multiples of 4. Very good, Ahmad. Ahmad +1. Okay, Zahra, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Zahra, can you give me the first 3 multiples of 7?
7, 7, 14, and 21.
Very good. Now I want Ali Mrouwe.
Yes.
Ali, can you give me the first 10 multiples or the first 5 multiples of 10?
5 times 1, 5 times 2,
I'm going to
5
repeat the
times...
question. I'm going to repeat the first 5 multiples of 10.
Oh, 10 times 5, 10 times 2, 10 times 3, 10 4, and 10 times 5.
Excellent. Great job, Ali. So all of you, you got pluses. So let us now share the worksheet and start solving, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
I'm not going to mute you because... Yes, Yusuf, you have a question?
Yes.
What? Yes, please.
7. Miss, Miss, why the Miss letters كتير easy.
It's very easy. Look, I'm trying to divide the lesson into two parts. This lesson it has two parts, the multiples and the divisors. But I'm not going to give you a load of lesson, okay? So I'm going to split it into two lectures so you can find it easy and solve everything. Okay? Yes, Lana.
If we know
If you know the multiples.
yeah, you can know everything.
Exactly. If you know the multiples, now you can know the divisors. Very good, Lana. So let us share the worksheet.
I solve it.
Great. You are going to, very good, Lana. Excellent. I can see the paper, yes. So I'm going to start one by one in order to solve the first question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to pick Yusuf. Yusuf, can you do the first one? What are the first 5 multiples of 9?
9, 18, 27,
Yes.
36,
Excellent. So it's 9, 18, 27, 36, and 40. 45. Excellent, Yusuf. Very good.
Miss, can I do one?
Yes, Hassan, it's your turn. You can do the second one.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Very good, Hassan. Okay, I'm going to give you bonuses also. Yusuf, Hassan, till now. Okay, now Ali Hussein, it's your turn. Can you give me the first 5 multiples of 5?
Yes, I can.
Start.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Excellent. Now I want Lana. Lana, it's your turn.
14, 21, 28, 20, 35.
Excellent, Lana. Great job. Ali Mrou, it's your turn.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30.
That's perfect. Very good, Ali. Great job. Ahmad, let us go now to question number 2. I'm going now, wait. I'm going to share question number 3. Okay? Ahmad, question number 3, part A. I want you to list the multiples of 8 that are less than 50.
8,
Yes.
16, 24, 32, 40, 48.
Excellent, Ahmad. Great job. Now, Zahra. Zahra, it's your turn. Can you write 23 between two consecutive multiples of 8?
16, 23, 24.
I want you to write 23 between two multiples of 8. So 23, it's in the middle. And I need the first multiple of 8 before and the first multiple of 8 after.
The first one, 16.
I want Zahra. Yes, Zahra.
16, and then 23, and then 24.
Excellent, Zahra. Great job. So it's
I didn't understand the B.
Okay, Lana. For example, if I asked you to write 5 between multiples of 2, then 5 it's between 4 and 6. Why? Because 4 it's 2 times 2 and 6 it's 2 times 3. Okay, and 23. I want 23 to be in the middle of two numbers. Those two numbers should be multiple of 8. So you start counting the multiples of 8 in your head. What are the multiples of 8 in your head?
8 times 1, 8 times 2.
Write them on your paper. Write them on your paper. Do you have a paper and a pencil in front of you?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Write the multiples of 8. 8.
1, 8.
Then
8 times 2.
16. Then
8 times 3,
It's
24.
very good. So 23, Lana, it's between
8
what two
times 4,
multiples? Lana, so 23.
24.
If you want to plot 23, you plot it between what two numbers?
16 and 24.
That's the question.
Okay, now I understand
I'm
it.
going to ask you another question to make sure that you understand it, okay? If I ask you, look, the multiples of 8 are in front of you. Can you see them on the screen? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Can you see them? It's in part A.
6.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if I asked you, for example, 45, it's between what two multiples of 8?
25,
45.
45. With 40 and 48.
Excellent, that's it. Great. Okay, now whose turn? So after Zahra, who else? Ali, did you solve one? Yusuf, did you solve one?
No.
Who's
Who didn't solve at all till now? Zahra, did you solve? Yes. Ali Hussein, right? Ali, did you solve one?
Miss me, Ali?
Ali Hussein.
Yes, I did solve.
Okay, now who wants to do part C? Ahmad. Ahmad, how can find two multiples of 6 between 40 and 50?
6 times 8 equal 48.
Very good.
6, 7 equal 42.
Very good. Excellent. Very good, Ahmad. Another +1. Now, I'm going to go back to question number 2. Okay? In part A, are multiples of 4 always even?
The end, yes.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
The end, because
Yes.
it's an even number. It's an even number.
Is either
Because
Even number.
it's an even
Even
number. And the
Because-
multiples of even numbers are always
Even.
excellent job. Excellent job. So, of course, the multiples of 4 are even because the multiples of an even number is always even.
But unlike the multiples
Yes,
of three,
Yusuf. Yusuf, do you have a question?
Yes, in the end, even, but in the first, like 140, no.
140, it's an even number.
I know because in the end, even, but the first is odd.
It's okay. I care only about the last one. If the last one is even, then the number is even. Okay, so I don't care what do we have in the first. I only care in the ones unit what do we have. Okay? Did you get it, Yusuf? Great. Okay, part B. Are multiples of 3 always odd?
no.
No.
Why?
No.
Who can give me an example?
3 times 2, 3 times 2.
3 times 2 is 2.
Perfect,
And
perfect. Very good, Yusuf. Very good, Zahra. Very
3
good.
times 4.
3 times 4 is 6 and 6 is
Very
7.
good, Ahmad. Excellent job, all of you. Are great, guys. So are the multiples of 3 always odd? No, because sometimes, for example,
No.
if you multiply the 3 by 2 or by 4 by an even number, you are going to get an even number. So because multiples of odd numbers can be odd or even. Okay?
Even.
Do you have any
Unlike
question about
even.
this?
No.
Okay,
No, we took
let us
that's
see
why I
question
know.
number 4. We need to circle the numbers that are multiples of 30. Who can give me a multiple of 30 in the following numbers?
140.
Yusuf, let us make
Yes.
another round. Okay, so I'm going to start again by Yusuf. Yusuf, can you circle the numbers that are multiples of 30?
140.
140? It's not a multiple of 30. Pay attention.
120.
120. Very good, Yusuf. Excellent. So 120. Hassan?
Miss Hassan, I said it.
Hassan
said-
120.
Ah, okay. It was Yusuf's turn. Yusuf, do you have another number?
210.
210.
210. It's Yusuf's turn. Yusuf should solve part A. Okay? So Yusuf, the first number is 120, then
110.
210,
170.
270. Very good, Yusuf. Now Hassan. Hassan Dayeh. In part
Yes.
B, circle the numbers that are multiple of 70.
140.
Yes.
210.
Very good.
490.
490. Yes, Ahmad.
60.
Very good. 630 and
Just this.
yes. So we have 210, 490, 140, and 630. Is
Yes.
it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Do you have any question about this?
No.
Ali, is everything Ali Mruwe? Are you listening to us? Is everything clear?
Yes.
Great, dear. So question number 5, we need, I'm a multiple of 7. I'm between 50 and 100. My tens digit is odd. Who could I be? Yusuf. Or let me see someone else. Zahra.
Easy. 63.
63. My tens digit is odd. My tens digit, not the ones digit. And six is not an odd number.
7 times 9.
Oh,
Okay, let us see now. Ali Hussein, do you have an answer?
So I pressed on the yes. That's what did you ask me?
Do you have an answer for part A? I'm a multiple of 7 and I'm between 50 and 100. My tens digit is odd. What's this number?
11.
70?
77.
77 works out. Very good. What else? Who have another number? Ahmad? Yes.
7 times 8 equal 6.
56. Excellent. Who else? Who have Lana? Do you have another suggestion? Let me listen to Lana. Yes, Lana.
77 صح.
In question 5,
Yes, part A. Your friends just said 77 and 56. Do you have another suggestion?
63,
63. 63, the tens digit is not odd. 6 is an even number. Zahra, do you have Zahra?
91.
91. Excellent, Lana. Very good, Lana. Very good, Ali. Zahra?
7 times 10 equals 70.
70. Very good. Yes. Yusuf?
70.
70. Excellent. So we have a lot of numbers. You can choose any one of them. So you just said 77, 91. You said 56. It was correct. Also 70. It's correct. Okay. So you can choose any number of these. Okay.
Miss, I choose 77.
77. Perfect, Hassan. Great. Okay. Now let me see if someone entered the no.
No.
No one in the waiting room. Okay, so in part B, I'm a multiple of 13 and I have 2 digits and I'm odd. Also, I'm a multiple of 5.
Miss, I don't.
The first to
Can
write.
I answer?
No, you guys, write it in the chat. The first
Miss,
one
I
to
don't
write it in the
understand.
chat.
Be the first.
I have 2 digits, guys.
Miss, I wrote it. I wrote it.
So the first who gave me the correct answer is Zahra.
Miss, which,
Yes,
which number?
it's 65. Very good, Zahra. Let me explain it for you, okay? So Zahra, you got it. It's 65. Look, guys, the question is, I'm a multiple of 13. So you start to write multiples of 13. 13 times 1, if you have a pencil and the paper, just write 13 times 1.
13.
13, great. 13 times 2.
24.
26. Yes, Yusuf, continue. 13 times 3.
This one I حافظه.
Just add, Yusuf, just add 26 plus 13 and so on, okay? Or you can multiply it. Okay, yalla, I'm waiting. 13 times 3. Just do it aside.
40.
Do it, Yusuf, do it. Right, 13 times 3.
Miss 63.
13 times 3.
63.
39.
39, yes, it's 39. Thank you, Ali. Okay, now 13 times 4. 13 times 4.
52.
120.
52. 52. Very good, Ali. Now 13 times 5.
65.
65. So this is the multiple of 13, which is multiple of 5 at the same time. How did we know that 65 is a multiple of 5?
Because 5 times and 13 is 5
Because
0 or 4.
okay, so very good. So it's 65. Did you know how do we solve? So we start listing the multiples. Whenever I reach the multiple of 5, I stop and I take it. Is it clear now for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is 65 an odd number?
Yes.
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 Does it have 2 digits?
Yes.
Yeah.
So that my answer is correct.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us go for the last question. List the multiples of 2 that are less than 19. So it's 2.
2,
4,
2 times 2.
4, 6,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
So I stop on
18.
18. Very good, because it's less than
Because we
19.
have 19.
Very good. Now I want the multiples of 3 that are less than 19.
3, 6, 9,
9, 12, 15,
15,
18.
18.
Very good. So do you all agree? Do you all have the same answers?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now what are the common multiples of 2 and 3?
6, 12, 18.
12, 18.
Yes, Yusuf.
6, 12, 18.
6 and 8. 6 and 12.
6, 12,
16.
and
16.
18.
18. What's the least common multiple?
Miss, I didn't understand this.
Me too.
Okay. Yes, Ali.
Miss, 2
It's 6.
times 3 equals 6.
Yes.
Miss,
When I
I
ask
said
you
it.
I
about,
didn't
I'm
understand this.
going to explain it, okay? So when I ask about the least common multiple, look at the common multiples. What are they?
2
6,
times
12,
3 equals
6, 12, 18, right? So in part C, we said that the common multiples are 6, 12, and 18. So which one of them is the least one? Least means the
6.
smallest. It's 6.
and then 12 and then 8.
So the least common multiple is
6.
Ali, you are already unmuted. Ali,
Yes, ma'am, I'm unmuted.
sorry, Ali. So do you have a question about this
2
one?
times 3 equals 6.
Ali Hussein, did you get the same
Yes.
answers?
Well,
In parts A, B, C, D, do you have the same answers on your paper?
but I didn't print it. I solved it on the phone.
Yes, it's okay. But did you understand everything? Do you have
Yes.
a question about this one? I don't
Yes.
care if you
No,
just
no,
print
no
the
question.
paper or you write it on a paper or you solve it, okay? What I care about is to solve, okay?
It's
Yes.
to understand it.
Yes, that's it. So guys, do you have any question about
No.
the lecture, about the worksheet?
No.
Miss,
Yes.
Manan,
Yes, Lana.
I drew this for you.
Wow. Amazing, Lana. It's very nice. Yes, Yusuf.
Thank you.
Miss, when the quiz?
The quiz is on Friday, right?
Miss, the quiz
Yes.
will be so easy.
Yes, Ahmad?
The quiz will be so easy.
Yes, it's very easy. It's like the worksheet and easier.
Yes.
The lesson is so easy.
That's
Miss
great.
Lana?
This is 10 questions.